everybody, Evie's Sunflower and Harrison, my grandson, who's now taller than me, as you can see. And we're up in Brisbane in COVID lockdown, so we're going to do some art. What kind of art? What are you going to do, Harry?
We're going to do a waterfall painting.
Yeah, so we've got all the paints ready, so we'll just get organised and we'll be back.
Okay, so today we're going to be doing our art on a 40.6 by 121.8 centimeter canvas, as you can see. So pretty big canvas. So yeah, that will be our canvas size. And now we're gonna paint our canvas.
Yep.
So we'll pour this on.
Yep, pour it on down the middle. Just pour that one, the whole thing, right the way down. And then just put the cup upside down. And that's the dogs barking at the neighbours' dogs. Yeah, just turn the cup upside down when you finish, so it can empty on the canvas. Okay. Right, I hope we've made enough paint. We might not have. I might have to make some more up quickly. Right, now grab your next container and pour that further around. That's it, my darling. Right.
Okay.
And then turn that upside down.
So now we're going to spread it across the canvas just like this. Make sure you don't have it super thick in certain areas. You want it to be nice and even. Move these cups. Just like this.
Suddenly have to make a mad dash, you'll understand. We'll be having to pick the table up with us and take it inside. Oh, do you think there's enough paint or not, Harry?
Yeah, there should be. I think. Because it's really thick in some areas.
Oh, right, okay then. Well, that's good then. Yes, we can move the cups down. Turn them up that way. There we are. That's good. Because I can always mix some more up to paint down the sides. Okay, with your brush, wipe it down the sides, if whatever you can get on there. Yeah. Oh, that's amazing. It's quite a lot coming out, actually. Good. Okay, we'll come back when that's...
So now that we've covered the canvas completely, we're going to draw a line, not in the middle of the canvas, but roughly around here. So we'll do that now, like about here, just like that, and bring it along all the way to the end.
Terrific.
Now that we've done that, okay, right. So now that we've put our groove in, we're going to be putting our colours on the grooves now. So, and we've got to remember not to put too much paint in, and our canvas, we're going to have the perspective of our sunlight coming in from this direction, okay? So, alright, we'll start putting our colours in now. So we'll start with a bit of light blue, just like that, and we'll do a bit of dark blue, navy blue, alright, we'll do a bit of this. Alright, we gotta remember that we have our sun here, so we need more light colours than dark ones, but it's still good to have a few dark colours in it. Okay, we'll do this big one here, a bit of this one. Okay, a bit of white, can't go wrong with white. Beautiful. Alright. Oh, look at that, they're mixing together already. Okay, we'll do this dark one here. Just like that. Okay, now we'll do this one on the end. so we've added a bit more paint to level out the, you know what I mean?
The balance, yeah.
The balance. Okay, so now I'm just gonna carry on and you can just watch. So we'll add a bit more white.
Just keep going, darling. You just create and enjoy.
There's a bit of a gap here, so I'm just going to fix that by putting in a bit of white in there. Maybe that might help. Don't really know. You can't write down thinking that.
Doing a great job. Looks fabulous.
Yeah.
And I'll just say one thing, it doesn't matter if it drips on the black, because Harrison's going to be, on his next stage he'll show you, and it won't matter if there's any drips there, they'll get swiped away.
And if it sounds confusing, just keep on watching and we'll find out.
Yes, that's so true, just keep watching. And the reason I took Harry's shirt off is because it's white and we don't want it covered in paint. And it's a beautiful sunny day today, and he's got plenty of sunscreen on for all the people that are going to whinge that he's in the sun. He's protected.
And we'll leave some credits in the description below with the inspiration for this picture. So make sure you go have a look in the description below, and there'll be like links and information for where we found this inspiration.
I'm loving your choice of colours there, Harrison. I think they're very good.
Thank you very much.
Really good. Are you enjoying it?
Yes.
That's good. Yes, that's helped with the white. It's not running quite as much now.
Yeah.
So, not that it matters anyway, because we're going to be dragging it down. Is Barry. Barry! He's a handsome boy. And that noisy one is Cherry. Cherry, what you doing? Are you beautiful? It's great. Come up to visit my family. We went in lockdown 12 hours later, but who cares? because we're having fun and I get to stay here. Got any more purples throughout that end, Harry? Oh, great. I'll just move this bottle.
Sorry about the dogs making that so noise. Okay, so as you can see, we've started with our lighter ones, and they're slowly getting darker with a bit of lighter as you go down. So we'll add a bit more. And probably about 3 more colours, and then we'll be moving on to the next stage.
Can you scrape any out?
I guess stick to get the rest of this one out.
I also have Harrison's mother's permission to film him and put him on my YouTube channel. And before we've finished today, I will be introducing Harry, and he will be talking about his own YouTube channel, which I think you'll find really interesting. All that information will also be in the drop down box. Look at those colours. That looks awesome, Harry. Yes, I will. And then I'll turn the camera off for a second, and then we will come in and to get prepared for the next stage. So there's been no silicone oil used in these paints, but Harry did mix up my own Floetrol mixture, and today it is 3 parts Floetrol, 2 parts PVA glue, and 25% water, and we use distilled pure water for that too. And then we add 1 part paint to 2/3 pour in medium.
Okay, so now we've got our silver, and we put a bit of glitter on it just to make it look better. So we're going to pour a bit of this across all of these, just to make it look better. Just like this. It's a bit tricky on a very big canvas.
And it is a huge canvas. Did you have enough?
Yep, plenty.
Okay, a little bit more. Yep, a little bit more there. Any gap you can see, a little bit up the top there. Yep, that's a tiny bit there. That's it. Perfect. All right, now what you're going to do? We've got to work fast because the black's drying.
Okay, so now we're going to grab our paper. We've got different widths and stuff, so we'll dive a bit into our water. Don't want it too wet. And then just shake it off. And then put it over your
Onto the black. Onto the black.
Onto the black. And you're just going to pull it along.
Just pull it along. Don't have, yeah, that's it. Lift it up. You just don't have to have it dip in there. Keep it raised up and then pull it down. Don't panic.
Just like that.
Our black base is drying very quickly, so we're trying to work as fast as we can here. Okay. Yep. Let's see. Don't let anything blow on top. Hold them underneath the.
Try to do
So I want you to go back over this one, Harry. Come back up here. Hang on. No, hold your piece of paper.
But this is a different one.
Oh? Yeah, that's okay, that's okay. Where's your silver? You got any silver left? Did we finish it all? There. Okay, just put a little bit more silver there, darling. So I'm just going to flick a little bit of water here, try and keep it damp. And I'm going to come back on here. And I'm trying to create a little bit more pressure as the canvas is, where it's a bit dry. Can you see what I've done there, Harry?
Yeah.
Just trying to drag it down a bit more. Here, I'll do another one. I'll do a small one. It's a pain that it's drying out so quickly. I'm so sorry about that. I'll just drag a bit. It's completely dry down here. What can we do? What can we do? What can we do? It's completely dry down the bottom. What we need, we're going to make up a bit more black up the top, Harry.
Okay.
And I think, let me just see, because I've got none.
Okay, we'll be back with some more black.
What we've done, I've quickly added more wet black paint underneath there, and we've swapped over to kitchen towel, and we're giving ourselves a bit better base to drag down, because Harry likes the result from the, you can go a little bit faster, Harry. Beautiful. That's it. You can see what I mean about you can press that down, can't you? Okay, yep. That's right. Okay, so we're going to keep going now. Off you go, Harry. Oh. Oh, there's cells coming up already. Harry. Here's another piece. Sorry about my video, and I know it's abominable. I haven't got a stand, so I move a lot, I know. Who cares? Enjoy. Look at this piece of art this boy's made. It's absolutely stunning. Against all adversity, with the sun drying out the paint as we go. I think it's about 25, 27 today up here in Queensland. Whereas if I was down in Tassie, this would be a sloppy, wet mess, because it just takes weeks and weeks to dry. Oh, beautiful. That looks stunning. Yep.
So if you're watching this video, you can learn a lesson from our mistakes, to know to use kitchen paper instead of paper, because it brings out better lines, it slides better.
It does, it looks great. Hopefully that's enough paper toweling. Do you know that pop of viridian green in there is just stunning. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. Now I'm going to come down so you can see already how it's creating cells and lacing, and that's from the use of Floetrol, which is a conditioner that painters add to their paint to allow it to flow. Look at all this, look at it. Absolutely beautiful. I think the only one that spoils it, Harry, is that one, because it's got a zigzag on it. So we need to get another piece of paper and we'll straighten it out.
So as you can see, we have our finished piece. It will change as it dries, create more cells. Yeah, so, and if you want more like definite lines in your artwork, you can use the like paper with like lines in it, as you can see here. Or if you want it to be like more like wavy and natural, you can use paper. but with the paper it's just a bit more difficult to use. It doesn't slide as well, but it's really up to you. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's painting, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, I have a YouTube channel as well, which I'm gonna grow and turn into a TV show. These shows are all about forward driving reviews, products, reactions, and much more. So yeah, it would be a huge help if you guys could go over there and subscribe. You can do that by typing in YouTube and search up Aussie Space Getaway, and feel free to subscribe and view my videos. It would be a huge help if you guys could subscribe and support me so I can create a lot more better videos. Thank you very much, and always remember, it doesn't get better than the beaten track.
I hope you've enjoyed this video. We've had such fun creating this beautiful painting. Harry's so clever. Against great adversity and the wind and the rain, sun I mean, but it's turned out magnificent. Thank you for your time. Thank you for sharing your day with us, and please subscribe if you can. Leave a comment. Thank you.